Today we're featuring a Honda CRV. It's an EX. It's got 41,000 miles on it. It's a 2015. It's going to be a certified Honda. It's got a clean Carfax, one owner. It's crystal black in color. I'll go ahead and give you the walk around. It's got the lock unlock button here on the door handle. It's got your rear backup camera. Alright. Make our way down the passenger side here. Everything on the exterior of this vehicle is in great shape. It is equipped with sunroof. Got your blind spot monitoring system there, and I'll show you that when we get inside. Alright. Let's go ahead and take a look on the inside. Got the black on black door panels, nice cloth insert here, power locks, power windows, black cloth seats. Driver seat's in great shape. It is a power driver seat. Go ahead and get the key fob up here for you. Alright, it does have keyless entry, 2 key fobs. Passenger seat is in really good shape as well. It is equipped with heated seats. It's an automatic. Got your climate control area there. Touchscreen display here. Push button start. Go ahead and show you, pan out and show you it's got the sunroof as well. Alright. And it does have steering wheel audio controls and Bluetooth. There's your blind spot monitor button there and your ECON button. Alright, let's go ahead and check out your mileage. Okay, it's got 41,695 miles on it. Now that we got it turned on, go ahead and show you your display again. Go ahead and get back to your home screen. Alright, we'll go ahead and engage the backup camera. Alright. We've had the AC on now for about 10 minutes. Everything blowing cold there. Let's go ahead and take a look in the back seat. Back seat cloth looks good. No problems at all back here. It does have the center console that folds down. Cup holders there. Go ahead and give you the driver's eye view of the layout and the dash. All right, everything's well taken care of. Show you the hatch back here and your storage area. Nice hard plastic cover back here. Plenty of room. Give you the passenger side view of these seats. I know it's kind of dark with this black on black, so let's give you another perspective here just so you can see just how nice this interior is. Only 41,000 miles on it. It is a certified unit. Everything looks really good. Nice black on black interior. Check out your wheels and tires. 17-inch alloys. Plenty of tread left on the tires. Alright, once again, it's a 2015 Honda CRV EX, 41,000 miles on it. It is a certified unit. It's got a clean Carfax, one owner. It's been well taken care of inside and out. Come down, take a test drive, check it out, and thanks for watching the video.